Here are 10 interesting facts about Spain that you may not have known. In a small town in Spain, there are approximately 600 people who all share the last name Yapon and are descendants of a 17th-century samurai. Spain is the only European country that has a land border with Africa. There are 2 exclaves of Spain located near Morocco. Spain has autonomous communities, some of which speak different languages such as Basque and Catalan. Spain has 47 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, which is the 3rd highest in the world. This indicates the country's rich cultural and historical heritage. The red and yellow flag of Spain represents strength and generosity, respectively, and is a homage to the original kingdoms of Spain. Spain is the 2nd most visited country in the world by tourists due to its beautiful landscapes, rich culture, and historic landmarks. With a life expectancy rate of 83.22 years, Spain ranks 2nd in Europe. This may be attributed to the country's healthcare system and lifestyle habits. Spain produces about 47% of the world's olive oil, which is a significant contribution to the global food industry. The Sagrada Familia, one of Spain's most famous landmarks, has been under construction for 140 years and is still technically unfinished. This reflects the dedication and perseverance of the builders and architects involved in the project. Unfortunately, Spain currently has the highest unemployment rate in the EU at 12.5%, which is a significant economic and social challenge for the country.